We're busy with the easy stuff, and that is the setup. Let's begin creating our first page and set it to our home page. We go to Pages, and currently, as it is a new installation of WordPress, no pages. Add page and just call it Home. Simple one. Home and publish again. From here, to get into the Bricks editor, go to the top left corner where you see the yellow button, Edit with Bricks, and in a jiffy, it opens the Bricks builder for us. A great, fast builder. Yo, I'm very impressed with the speed of this builder. We'll talk about the interface in a bit. How do I get back to WordPress? And the first time you will be hunting around for how do I get back to WordPress, here is one option, Edit in WordPress. And then we have this B, go to View on Front End. But just note that all the way to the right, you also have this View on Front End. What I do is I can customize this B for Bricks, and I like to do it, and it takes me directly to the dashboard of WordPress. This one here, Edit in WordPress, and I'm jumping left, right. Let's click on it. Edit in WordPress, it takes me back to the Gutenberg editor. Usually I don't want to come here. I just want to go back into WordPress because we set this up once. Click on Edit with Bricks. And once we're back in the builder, let's go to the B for Bricks in the top left corner, select Go To, and we're on the front end. Again, this is not where I want to be. But while we are here, click on the W and we go to the back end. And I'll just go ahead and close these guys. Right. I talked about the settings in the previous video. That's where we head on over. Sidebar on the left, Bricks, and select Settings. A number of tabs here at the top. Select Builder, as that B for Bricks, that yellow little icon, is in the builder. Scroll to Toolbar Logo Link. That's the B I showed you. And you can choose here what happens when you click on it. You can go to the home page, dashboard, post type, edit in WordPress, custom URL, or no link if you don't want it to work for you. For me, that is going to be dashboard. And then the option to open it in new tab. I like to toggle this on, but I found that I often get confused while I was preparing for this tutorial as to what was my latest save. Though I like this option for this tutorial to make sure I don't go completely mad, I'm going to keep it off. Now I've set the toolbar logo link to dashboard, and we scroll all the way to the bottom. Do not forget and select Save Settings. Now when I go into Bricks, let's go to our pages. And under my home page, just select the quick link here, Edit with Bricks. And from the Bricks builder, now we are back here to the top left, select Go to Dashboard, and in a jiffy, I am here. I like this setup a lot. You decide what you want to do with the B, or if you don't want anything to do with that. Final change, now that we have set up that home page, let's make sure that when I go to the front end, it actually displays my home page. Currently, if I click on Visit Site, it gives me nothing found because Bricks as a theme is overriding anything, and WordPress doesn't know what to show here on the front end. Go back to WordPress, Settings, and Reading. Your home page displays, we select a static page, and we only created one page, which is this one that we called Home. And once we've said that, also save changes. Go to Visit Site, click on it, and it shows Home. Well, what's going on here? Well, we haven't created anything within the Bricks builder. That's how it looks at this moment. While we are here, from the WordPress toolbar at the top, we select Edit with Bricks, and it takes us right into the builder. Groovy.